you might be getting a bit close to like the cyclists and the
Okay.
scooters.
Here we are on a sidecar in Shanghai. Who knew? With fabulous guy
Hi.
from Belgium. What's your name again?
Max.
Max from Belgium is my driver. I'm here in a sidecar. He's there on his cycle. And we're going to be seeing some cool things in Shanghai. Check this out. Isn't this rad? A movable feast travel. Shanghai, China.